Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at Vidnoz review. Vidnoz review. This is Vidnoz AI. So now Vidnoz AI is a free AI video generator that helps create free AI videos in 1 minute. It is easy, it is fast, 100% free AI video generator, no cost, no download, no experience required whatsoever. Isn't that great? And it has about 1,500 plus AI avatars, 1,380 plus realistic AI voices, 2,800 plus templates. So you can create free videos now. No credit card required, just click on create free video now. This is an example. It's really about 1,000 plus media. Teams, companies, and users rely on Vidnoz AI. Vidnoz AI video generator helps create videos faster to increase return on investment and save costs. It had 80% of users said Vidnoz AI has saved 80% of costs. 92% reported create videos. 92% reports said that they were able to create videos 10 times faster than before, and 8% people shared success cases that videos helped them help their videos up 3 times their revenue on interest. They got an award for 2025 Best AI Service Provider. So, how can you now create free AI videos in minutes with Vidnoz AI? One, you choose a template and an avatar, and then you can also start from scratch if you like. And then from there you follow the prompt. So this is Vidnoz AI. This is ultimate AI video maker to generate videos for free. Here it is, avatar, voices. So it helps generate engaging AI videos like a pro. Explore the features, create more appealing videos that help extend your audience scope wider and hold their attention span longer. These are the voices. You can have a dual avatar conversion mode also, where you can simulate real-life conversion for your videos with the latest dual avatar mode. You can get 2 avatars to talk with each other in a scene and edit dialogue scenes freely. You can start an interesting AI conversation in your video to gain more attention and audience views. Then they also have ultra-realistic AI voices. For text-to-speech, you can apply diverse languages, accents, emotions, and speed. It has best in-class Microsoft TTS text-to-speech and 11 lab text-to-speech models, clear, consistent, and natural. You can create an AI voice this way by clicking on that. You can also clone anyone's voice for AI dubbing and voiceovers. So they're using the custom AI voice clone. So Vidnoz AI voice cloning can replicate a voice with 99% accuracy and keep the speaking style, accent, and nuances. So you can clone your voice now. It also has easy AI video editing, where you can cut and trim footage, add animated effects, change backgrounds, alter AI generated scripts, and do more. Access sorts of AI editing tools and options at your fingertips. Edit your video now. So this is for news. You can make AI videos from everything. Make AI videos from text, from photos, from music, and more. Use tons of Vidnoz built-in media assets, animated effects, stickers, etc. to turn any idea into stunning AI videos right away. So Vidnoz also helps you to ensure industry-leading security in all services. So it ensures the security of user data and information, always complying with the highest standards of information security management. You're certified. You can see that you're certified. Yep. It adheres strictly to it. It has top-tier secure servers, transparent privacy policy, experienced professional team, customized service for businesses, convenient SSO experience, and you can say goodbye to cameras, actors, studios, and more. Traditional video creation leads to high cost of cameras, studio, sound, and stage, need to hire actors and require lots of manpower. It takes long time in preparing, shooting, and editing, hard to update the videos after they're done, and complex manual processes throughout the stages. But we've used Vidnoz AI video creation You don't need any cameras, no studios, no specific environment. You can use about 1,500 plus AI avatars without hiring actors. You can generate great AI videos within several minutes and enhance videos anytime your video library. It is intuitive and easy processing powered by AI tech. So you see the difference between the traditional and using of Vidnoz. So jumpstart your creation with 2,800 plus video templates. Go with a well-designed and editable video templates from Vidnoz free AI avatar video generator. Create high-quality videos at scale quicker than ever before. You can explore your template by clicking on Explore Templates here. You can see an example. To multiply your ROI, your return on interest, by 2 times, 5 times, and more with free AI video generator. You can save video costs, video creation costs. So enterprises can averagely save about $10,000 plus creation, $10,000 per month by creating AI videos with Vidnoz AI based on the official user data analytics. You can up the engagement rate by 52%. More viewers will buy products, subscribe to your channel, visit new pages, or take other actions with interactive videos created with Vidnoz. You can increase your conversion rate to 74%. People using Vidnoz AI to create videos can earn an exponentially higher conversion rate than those who don't. You can seize the market faster by 200%. You can batch produce quality brand videos within the shortest time and realize a rapid market share increase of about 200+%. Vidnoz is trusted by millions of creators and companies worldwide. It is a complete game changer. This is from AI Automation Labs, a YouTuber. So Vidnoz claims to make video creation easy for all. So use the power of AI to create professional videos faster with less effort and cost, boost productivity, and achieve your goals. Get started with Vidnoz AI. It is the best AI automated video creation platform. Products are Vidnoz AI and Vidnoz Flex. As for the pricing, we have Vidnoz AI Plan and Vidnoz Flex. Let's look at the Vidnoz AI Plan. It's free. The monthly it is free, so you can click on it. You get 15 seconds per day. You have access to 1,400 plus AI avatars, 1,900 plus video templates, 340 plus videos available, voices available. The key features are 720p resolution, 2,000 characters per scene, 2 AI text, 2 images per day, 20 AI scripts per day, and free for commercial use. So if you want to use the start plan you pay $19.99 per month. And if you want to use the business plan, you pay $56.99 per month. Once you use the enterprise, you have to talk to them and book it them also, if you like. You can have a detailed comparison of the price here, so you can have a full details, so you can make informed decision. Now for the Avatar Pro, is an add-on. Avatar Pro helps to create studio level high resolution avatar with background matching for professional quality video. By using this add-on, you will pay $299 per year. And if you're using the voice clone, which is another add-on, to help you clone the voice for personalized captivating content and get more engagement, you pay $9.99 per month. So you can also see what other people said about it. And we're through with that. So now let's see if we can sign up. Let's go for the free version and see if we can sign up for the free version. Alright, here's the free version. Click on get plan, and then you have to sign up using, you can use a Google, you can use Facebook, LinkedIn, or Microsoft. You can use your email. Let's use email. Then click on sign up. So you put your first name, your last name, and then you put a password. And then you can sign up. Okay, so at the end it's stronger password. The password is not strong enough. So I want to use stronger password. So click on sign up. They really want me to use. Okay, what else? You're really serious about those password stuff. Still are not giving me a chance. Anyway, so once you put a password, you'll be given a confirmation code. I don't know why, but I keep putting the password, but since it's not good enough for them. So you click on sign up here, and then a verification email will be sent to your email, and then from there you click on activate your email or space of verification code, one of the above, and then you follow the on-screen prompt and log in. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Oh, and before I go, please give it a try. It looks like a really good app. So give it a try. Create free video by clicking create free video and give it a try. And let us know how it went in the comment section. Thanks for watching.